All right, we're just finishing up this install for this gentleman. It's got a, it's a 2015, 2017 for Noah. Noah, thanks for letting us work on your car. You just got done finishing the diffuser on the back. I don't know what company makes it. It's one of those ABS plastic ones. Looks pretty good. Some of the fins are a little bent because of the packaging. Maybe a little bit of heat. Take a heat gun to it to kind of even those out quite a bit. He's running the, what is that, a Tomai or something? Single exit exhaust.
Tomai?
Tomai.
Tomai or Tomei?
Tomai. I don't know.
It's made by Nick Mastodon.
Nick Mastodon, shout out to you, man. Good job making this thing.
Oh, Masterson.
Masterson. Nick Masterson. There we go.
How you say it?
Looks good. Yeah. You did a great job lining everything up. Looks very nice. Good job, E. Give yourself a hand.
All the time.
And then in the front, we went ahead and we put in, Noah had us put in these spyder headlights. They are RGB lights. Let's see, we'll put them on real quick. Hopefully his car's not too messy. Noah, forgive me. I'm not gonna start. I'm gonna turn on the lights. Mishimoto. Those shift knobs. I don't really like those small shift knobs. I like big, heavy shift knobs. So those look pretty good with the demon eyes in them. Yi set them up. Looked really, really good. The wire management looks pretty good. We have a couple of videos if you want to see that. But all in all, one more job done. Oh, and the lip. Put on the lip last night. One more job done at Y2K Garage. Noah, thanks for this work on your car, man. We really appreciate it. I hope you're happy with how everything turned out. I would be. Looking good. Nice poke on the wheels. If you guys are interested, Fresno, California, hit us up.